Assalamualaikum. I am Smrity from Learn Flutter with Smrity. I welcome you all to this section of complete e-commerce app from scratch. I hope you enjoyed last of my video. Today I will share with you some more interesting concepts. Before write the code, let's see what we learned in previous section and what we will learn today. In previous section, we learned some of functions: login, initialize current user, get user details, sign up, sign out, and upload user data function. Today we will learn admin and user role-based navigation. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Are you ready to build with me? Let's build together. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get going. Let's run the application first, then we will start write the code. We will wrap the route widget with a special type of provider, that's change notifier provider. It required for create method that provides a value to the widget tray under it. Here would be auth notifier that we created in first part to change state and rebuild widgets. The change notifier provider which listens for changes in our auth notifier. Let's move on landing page widget. In container widget, I have added some properties with height, decoration and gradient. Its child property, I have added column widget, it takes list of children. I have added text widget, in that I have added style property. I have given font size, font weight and color. And then I have added cross axis alignment and main axis alignment properties to align center. After text widget, I have added one more text widget. Let's create this variable. In the lib directory, I am creating a new folder called utils. In that folder, I am creating a new file called color helper. In that file, first we will import material library. I have added const keyword, a variable and color code. Now we will import its file path. After text widget, I have added container widget, in that I have added padding property. Its horizontal value I have given 80 and its vertical value I have given 15. In decoration property, I have added color and border radius property. Its child, I have added text widget. I have added sized box to give some height. Our UI done, now we have to add logic to navigate different screens like home screen, login screen and admin screen. But before that, we have to convert the widget into a stateful widget so that we can use initState. We will call initState function to access the value in a provider model. Okay, so I am adding our provider model, that's auth notifier. The provider is used for providing the values to a widget. That widget responds for all type of changes that have been done via provider. In type, we have to specify our provider model. Listen false in the init state to ensure that the code is executed only once. Now we have to declare the provider inside of particular widget tree so that the provider knows which widget tree has to be rebuilt when changes occur. We will remove the listen, in that case listen true. Setting listen true makes the whole widget as a listener and leads to rebuilding the whole widget tree. Now we will make it clickable. For that we have two widgets. One is gesture detector widget and second is inkwell. Here we will use gesture detector. So first we have to wrap the container with widget and rename it with the gesture detector. It has onTap method that we will call to navigate particular screens. First we will check user null, exist or admin. Then we will navigate them to different screen on roll. Okay, if auth notifier user null, then it will navigate to login screen. It replaces the new page that you are trying to open with current page in routes stack. Alright, if user null, then it will navigate to login screen. Otherwise, we will check another condition. If auth notifier user details null, here user details means that's user. Then we will print out wait. Otherwise, we will check another condition. If user details role admin, then it will navigate to admin home screen. Otherwise, it will navigate to home screen. Okay, so if user details role admin, then it will navigate to admin home screen. Otherwise, it will navigate to home screen. Now let's hot reload this application. Let's go to admin home screen. Inside of container widget, I am adding text widget. I have copied it and move on login screen. I will replace the code with container widget, and also I will change text admin to login. Here I will do the same. Now let's hot reload again. Okay, now if I click the explore button, we can see login screen. That means I have not logged in or signed in with the email and password credentials. As far as today, there was an invitation to watch the next videos. Thank you.